Here's how to create rules in Gmail in 2026 to automatically organize your emails. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. First, open Gmail in Google Chrome and sign in to your account. At the top right, click the gear icon, then select See All Settings. Now click on the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. This is where Gmail rules, also called filters, are created. Click Create a new filter. Here, you can choose conditions like a sender's email address, subject line, keywords, or attachments. After setting your conditions, click Create Filter. Now select what happens to matching emails. You can automatically label them, skip the inbox, mark them as read, star them, or delete them. Once you're done, click Create Filter again to save. And that's it. Gmail will now automatically manage your emails using this rule. Like and subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials.